Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Liz Charlton and I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos. Here and then you'll see me create a little bit of everything because why not? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to film and edit from your mobile phone. Whether that be a YouTube video, if you want to do a video for Instagram, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do it from my mobile phone. This is something that I do and I find it really easy. So if that is something that you guys want to see, just ensure to keep on watching. So to film the video, you're gonna need some form of tripod of any kind, or you can just use the phone to set up the camera wherever you guys want to put it. But personally, whenever I'm filming a video, I really like to just have my tripod, and this one, it comes with the adjustable thing here. You can just use your iPhone and put inside of it. Let me show you guys. And what I love about this one is, I got this one from Amazon, by the way. What I love about this one is you can pretty much bend it onto anything. So whether it be like a little pole that you see you guys want to film, you can just bend it to wherever you like. I'll definitely recommend you guys get yourself one of these. If filming on your iPhone, I definitely recommend this. Will make your life so much easier. So of course, to film, you're gonna need your iPhone. Also, you want to ensure that you have some form of lighting. I definitely recommend using natural lighting. Now, because we're in the UK, you either want to wake up early or you want to get yourself some form of artificial light or ring light to do your filming. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I film. You can either film with your camera like this, or you can film facing front like this. Again, set something up. If you're gonna be filming this way, I definitely recommend that you guys get some form of mirror behind the camera, or ensure that you have sufficient storage on your iPhone before you go ahead and start filming. Because boy, this has been a struggle for myself sometimes. You're film and you notice that okay, the camera is not recording because the system don't have enough memory. How to do this, just get yourself a little mirror and you can see exactly if the phone is recording the video that you'd like. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just record myself here talking on my iPhone, just so I can go ahead and edit this video for you guys and show you exactly how I use my iPhone to edit my YouTube videos. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish the video now. It's a 16 seconds video. If you have a longer video, fine, but I don't have a longer one right now to edit for you guys, so I'm just gonna use this one here. So this is my little YouTube apps here, everything that I use for my YouTube. You can either use Imovie to edit your videos. You can see I don't really use Imovie, I use Inshot. I find Inshot to be really easy. Sometimes it's a little bit hit or miss because you realize that your videos are not saving, and yeah, it's a whole lot of commotion with it sometimes. But I have the premium Inshot, and honestly, I don't think it's worth getting the premium one because there's not much difference at all from the one that I had previously, which is just a standard Inshot. So what you want to do now is just press new, and you want to go ahead and select the video that you want to edit, and it's this video here that I just filmed for you guys. So let's go ahead and edit that video. Once I put my video in, you can see all the icons here that you can go ahead and use to edit your videos. So some of the things that I normally use are the stickers, of course, and with the stickers you can go ahead and search for GIFs. And say you want to add like a subscribe button to the channel, you can just go ahead and type subscribe. Go ahead and type subscribe, add it to where it is, and also adjust that. You can put it wherever you want to put it over the screen. I'm gonna just leave this one here. One of the features that you guys could utilize is the music tool and add effects. So I'm gonna use the popular one. I'm gonna use like this bubble here, and I'm gonna add it to where the thumbs up pops, where the subscribe button clicked as well. I'm gonna add that effect, and I'm gonna also add one where the bell is. Perfect. Also, you want to go ahead and adjust the sound of your video to ensure that you're getting the best quality possible. If you're doing like a talking video, you can just turn the volume up to 200. and you want to go ahead and adjust these volumes as well, just so it's not too loud over whatever you're saying and your subscribers are hearing the video properly and clearly. Okay, perfect. So let's play that. Edit this video for you guys and show you exactly how. Beautiful. And I'm happy with that. Another thing that you guys could go ahead and do is just add music over the clip or in the background of the clip. So what you want to do is go to track, and if you already have tracks on your phone, I already have these 3 tracks, but if you don't, there is a way to go ahead and download it, which I'm not going to be showing you in this video. If you want to see another video like that, how I get the tracks on my phone from YouTube, you can leave a comment below and I'll create that video for you guys. I'm going to be selecting this one. Let's hear it. Here talking on my iPhone. Just so you can see that is a little bit too loud, so we're going to just go ahead and turn the volume all the way down because we need it to be in the background and not over our voices. Go ahead and edit this video and that's for perfect. You guys and show you exactly how I use my iPhone to edit them. Beautiful. So another thing that I do to add like a little video on top of your content, or if you want to add like a picture, say you're talking about something in general, you want to just add the picture on the screen, you guys could go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna just select an image or a video. You can do an image or a video that you guys want to add. Let's do this one here when I'm eating, even though it has nothing to do with the video, but you guys see what I'm saying. Also, you can drag the photos as big as you want it. Say if you're showing something, you can put the photo on the screen and then you're talking behind, just like this. Finish the video now. It's a 16 seconds video. Perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and delete that because it's not necessary, and we're just gonna go back. Also with Inshot, you can add filters, so you can adjust the lighting, the contrast, the brightness, the warmth, the saturation. You can do all of that inside of Inshot on your video, and this is such a really good app because it's basic editing, but it just gets the work done pretty much. Nothing too fancy. So you can also go ahead and add filters. I don't normally add filters over my videos at all. This is pretty much what I normally do. I normally add text. So let's add a text. Say you want to add your Instagram and social media handle. So what you want to do is go into the sticker tool, select sticker, and you can type Instagram. So type Instagram. You see one pop up there, or select whichever one that you like. Put it again wherever you want it on the screen, and you can drag it to how long you want this icon to be. We're gonna just change it here since you already have the subscribe button there. And also you want to choose text and just put your Instagram handle here, which mine in this case is Liz Charlton. Ensure you guys are following my Instagram as well. So after you change that, you can go ahead and change the color of the text. If you want to add like a little label over it, you can do that, but we're not going to do that in this case. And you can also go ahead and change the font to what you want the text to be. I definitely recommend using a font that everyone can see on the video. There we have it. Another thing that you guys could do is add transitions on top of each icon. So for instance, the Instagram icon here, you click on it and you edit, and you can choose how the transition is. So if you want it to zoom out, slide to the side, slide up, slide down, you can go ahead and select that. And because we want it and the Instagram name to be grouped, so we're going to go ahead on the Instagram as well, and we're going to select the same transition for that one, and let's see how that looks. Just go ahead and jump. Perfect. Finish the video now. It's a 16. Beautiful. So that's it for the transition. I'm also going to go ahead, you can also go ahead and add as much clip as you guys like, whether that be intro, outro. You guys could go ahead and add it as well. Let me just go ahead and cut the music. For the music, you can also adjust the volume to fade out at the end. If you have like a longer video and you want audio to be throughout the video, you can go ahead and select the audio and also duplicate duplicate it, and that will just create the audio again so you can use it on the other file. Another really cool thing about Inshot, honestly, you literally just need your iPhone to do this. You can go ahead and select the recording tool and you can do like a voiceover for your clip. So if you're just showing something and you guys want to do like a voiceover, you can just go ahead and do the voiceover for this clip, and it will be right on top of the clip, so you don't have to do anything external or do no bag of work. It's already in the app for you to just go ahead and do it. You can also go ahead and speed up your videos, which we're not gonna do at the moment because the clip is fine, but it's just to show you guys that there's so much you can do from this one app. Also, you can add photos. So if you go on the internet and you type in like a PNG photo of like, so you're doing like a fashion haul, you want to get that the logo, you do like a PNG photo of like ASOS or whatever, and you get the logo and you just select it and put it there. So that is it for this video, guys. Really easy in terms of like editing on this app, of course. But once you're finished editing, you want to go ahead and save the clip, and you can also save in 4K or you can save in 180. If I have the space on my iPhone, I'll try to save in the highest quality possible, and then you just go ahead and save, and that will be right in your photos. That is pretty much it. Very easy. This is just one of the steps though. You know, after you do like the video, the editing, you have to go ahead and do the thumbnail and all different stuff like that. I'm really good when it comes on to making thumbnails. I really enjoy doing it. So if you guys want to see how I make my thumbnails and the apps that I use, then let me know below and I'll create those videos for you guys as well. I hope I was able to help you guys out in some way. Again, this is just the very basic way of editing your videos. There is so much more to it, but if you want just something really quick, really simple, you can go ahead and use this app. I'll ensure to leave the app down below, and you guys can go ahead and just try it out for yourself. Just use the regular version and try. If you have just an iPhone, you don't have to go ahead and get like anything expensive. Any expensive software, you can just start out with just using the app to edit on the iPhone. I still use this app on my phone. It's really easy, so I'll definitely recommend you guys try it out if you're looking for an app to edit. There are loads more apps out there, but this is the one that I really like. Also, the iPhone, it comes with the Imovie app, so you guys could use that and edit as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you'd like me to create more videos like this, ensure to leave them down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.